fix Instagram Reels scrolling down problem. So if you're using your Instagram and if you're trying to scroll Reels on your Instagram and if the Reels are not scrolling, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an updated version. So you need to open up your Play Store at first. After opening it, go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram. After searching for your Instagram, if you have any updates, then you just need simply go and update your Instagram. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to go back, tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with your app info. From the app info, make sure that you allow all of the permissions. Go with the permission section and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions. And after allowing the permissions, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back and check your problem. If it still persists, then you need to just open up your Instagram. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. And from your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down, or you may also have a browser settings option. You just need to simply go with the browser settings or browsing data, and you need to clear the cookies and cache of the browsing data. But in my region, I don't have the browsing data option, but if it's available in your region, you need to just go and delete or clear the cache and cookies of the browsing data on your Instagram, and this might fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.